Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Cinda. I'm back again. Yeah, as I'm standing right in front of some bread. Yeah, tea bread. Yeah, and I have 3 cedis over here. So, about your mommy, I want 1 cedi bread, 1 cedi sobolo, then 50 pesos Madrid per band. Yeah, Orkodo. So this tea bread. Yeah, 1 cedi. Okay. Madrid, no, we don't feed a bit TV day. Okay. Okay, blue band. No, yeah, blue band. So, there. So now she's spreading the bread, the margarine inside the bread. Hot afternoon. Yeah, you're called for the puppet. But you do so run boy. No, sir. Okay. So bolo. Yeah, okay. Okay. So 3 cedis for quick snack.
50 pesos.
250 cents, do a quick snack. Yeah. Okay, so I change your 50 pesos. So we have our sobolo. Yeah. So the sun is very high, the temperature is very hot, so we need some sobolo. Hey, sobolo, I see the idol so run boy. Hey, sobolo, I see the mama mia. Okay. Okay. So sobolo hibiscus flower, yeah. Wow. Wow. And we have the bread here as well. The coldness of the sobolo calms down the nerves because the way the sun is blazing, the way the sun is blazing, and you have the sobolo, it calms the nerves. It really calms the nerves, yeah. So afternoon snack, and yeah. Yep.